In this video, I'm just going to show you how to connect Discord to an Xbox account. If this video does help you out today, please consider dropping a comment below saying this helped you out and subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Discord, and I'll be doing this on a PC today, but the process is the same if you're using a mobile device or an app. It's just that the buttons might be in a different place. So what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. And you can also use this to connect different accounts, not just your Xbox account, but if you have like a PS4 for example, you can connect that. And you can also use it to connect social media profiles. So if you have like Facebook or YouTube, or maybe like a Twitch that you want to connect, then you can all do it using the steps in this method. So once you're logged in and you're in your Discord, what you're going to want to do is come down to your settings. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner and go and click this little gear icon down here, which says user settings, and it's going to take you across to your settings page. From here, what you're going to want to do is look at the menu on the left hand side, and you'll see in the top section under user settings, there should be one there that says connections. So just go and give that a click, and you'll see a list of different accounts which you can actually connect to your Discord. So you've got quite a few different integrations you can do, and you can see already that I have my YouTube connected. So to do the Xbox account, to connect that to Discord, what you're going to want to do is click onto the Xbox logo. And what this is going to do is take you through to a authorization page. You're going to see it's going to say connecting. And it might ask you to actually log in to your Xbox account to link the two accounts. But because I'm already signed into my Microsoft account, which is obviously the same as my Xbox account, it's actually done it automatically and connected my Xbox account to Discord. So now what's going to happen, if I actually go back to Discord, and you'll see what's going to happen, that's now shown underneath. So this is where all your connected accounts are going to show. And it actually says display on profile and display Xbox as your status. So this is going to basically show if you're playing games on your Xbox or anything, it's actually going to display on your Discord profile. But if you want to turn that off, you can do. What you can do is just toggle this button on and off to decide whether to display that on your profile or not. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. So I hope you found that helpful. As I say, if this did help you out, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.